What is up everyone, Salimify here, and today we are making an unboxing video of Tokmali laptop stand. So this laptop stand I bought a very long time ago for 25 and I think 26 pounds actually, and I'm gonna put the links down below in the description so you guys can check and buy if you want to. I'm just gonna make the unboxing video right now, like as you guys can see, and it comes with this pretty medium-sized box. And I was actually expecting something much bigger size, but it's okay, it's still doing its purpose. And yeah, we are going to pictures right now. Okay, it is like more than adjustable, more than this one actually, and it is not only for laptops, you can put your mobiles and tablets as well. And like it is good for your neck, like basically that's what majorly important for the laptop stand. And like you can put like very different angles, you will probably see in the show, I will show you in the video. And yeah, it is adjustable, like very good. And cooling, like it has this cooling holes, which is very good for if you put your laptop it has intake maybe, so it cannot get heat up while you're doing that. And they put this bubble wrap cover inside, which is also like something very good, so it won't get damaged while in the cargo. And yeah, like I liked it, and it has this silver and black color option. I go with the silver color option because as I said, it was kind of cheaper than the black one, I think 2 or 3 pounds, as I remember correctly, if I remember correctly. And yeah, that's how it comes. And we can actually adjust it as you guys see in the pictures. And I'm just gonna show you, like it has this double vents, also actually the bottom side for holding. You can actually use the top side for holding as well. And it has this like circular things as legs, so it won't get vibrated quite often. And yeah, I need to use my 2 hands, so sorry guys. Okay, now I opened like as much as I could, so I think if I go more than this, like it won't do it, it just stay this way. And if I use the leg size, like I'm gonna use it right now to make it like taller instead of like using the head one. And yeah, I'm just gonna do it right now. Just come on, do it now. Dang it. Okay, now you guys can see that it has this also small place that you can put your phone or other stuff, so it has this double layer, which is very good. And like the size for the height is also okay for, let's say you have a short desk and short chair, like you can adjust it for the like the bottom side to a little bit front, so you can see much better, so it is very good for that as well. And yeah, this is the maximum size. I can actually put it the middle sticks, that is like holding with the 3 screws, 4 screws actually, not 3, sorry. And yeah, this is actually not good for laptops because it might go down, since it is on the heavier side. It is not very well balanced. So what I preferably do is I made a Z, like in the picture you've seen. Like it is much better to hold it that way, and this is how basically shows for the once you packed the things up. And yeah, if you guys like the video, like please hit the like and subscribe button. It will help me a lot to see the increasing numbers in my channel. And Merry Christmas, by the way. And yeah, and hopefully see you guys later in another video. And bye.